Welcome to another vlog. It's Friday and I'm about to indulge in some chocolates. So normally I get the Lindor truffle chocolates. I love those, but I wanted to switch it up. So I picked up these private selection ones. I'm pretty sure I've had these before, but it's been a while and it just reminded me how delicious they are. The sea salt toffee truffles are really good. And then I also got the sea salt caramels. I just had lunch, so I want something sweet. These are perfect because all you need is one, but since I have two different flavors, I'm like, one of each. I do have some packages to open, so I'm gonna open those right now. I have a candle from Apothic that I need to make a video for, and then some PR from Euphoria, which is a makeup brand that I discovered on Shark Tank, so I'm really excited. But first, let's have some chocolate. So good. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and make sure you're following me on all social platforms. I love how the candles come with their own set of matches. Okay. Meyer Lemon and Mint. It smells delicious, but I'm gonna keep it in the box until I film my content. Ooh. It's like a little mirror. This is what you'd look like if you were a Pop-Tart Pocket. That's so cute. They sent me their setting spray, their color changing blush, and 2 lip glosses last time. So let's see. Looks like they sent me their cleanser. Love this. Deep cleaning green tea jelly cleanser. Night off face wash. Okay. And they sent me 3 of their blush oils. Turn up the sunshine, but tonight, and let's go potty. These are stackable too. They have little magnets in the tops. How cool is that? My husband and I have exciting travel plans coming up. We're leaving for San Diego in 11 days. And then after that, we're going to Vegas. So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be vlogging and you don't want to miss any of the fun. My husband just got done taking some pictures for me. Now we're going to go to the gym. But there's this lady that we met like 2 weeks ago, and she owns a golden doodle. He is so freaking cute. His name is Bentley, and we were in the middle of a workout when we ran into her, and I asked if I could pet her dog. It was like such a quick interaction, and anyways, ever since, my husband and I have been saying how you said you miss him too. Ever since, my husband and I have been saying that we miss Bentley and we want to run into him again. The location that I chose to take pictures today, her and her dog Bentley were walking along the same path, and like I said, I told my husband that I manifested that, and he doesn't believe me.
Maybe you're stalking.
I manifested that. I've been thinking about him and telling the universe, let us run into him. Yeah. He's so cute. He's 11 months old, and I've never had that much interaction with the golden doodle before, and that's the dog that we want because they're hypoallergenic.
I want him that big.
They don't shed. This is just another reason for me to believe that.
Can you manifest the air conditioning, please?
I'm about to prep my nails because I need to film a video for Peter Thomas Roth, and I want them to look presentable. Look at how long my nail is. It's kind of nasty. But they're all natural. They're not damaged anymore. When I used to get acrylics or even gel, like my nails were just so damaged and brittle. After I took my acrylics off, after having them for a couple years, it took my nails a couple months to grow back out and start fresh. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm in a good place. My nails never break with these nail stickers. And this is my favorite design. I still have some left, so I think I'm gonna use those for my next set. This design reminds me of a design I got on my nails like 2 years ago. It was during the summertime, and I paid like $130 for acrylics with a similar design, and that was just ridiculous. $130. These nail stickers are like $10 or less. You can buy them at Target, TJ Maxx, and you can get them on their website too. Okay, I want them to be a lot shorter, so I'm gonna...
It's Raleigh brand, babe?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Cut the tips off. You wanna go tonight? Now I'm gonna shape them. Oh my god, I'm blown away at how long they were. She's in her nail growth era. I'm just gonna round out the sides. all done. I'm nice and prepped, so now all I have to do is apply the stickers. Pizza time! I finished my Peter Thomas Roth video. Now we're on to the gym and it's leg day. I brought my barbell pad. I have been forgetting this the last couple of leg days, so I haven't done hip thrusts in a few weeks actually. So I'm excited to do them today because they don't have any of these at our gym. They have some mats that I've used before, but it's just uncomfortable and I should have still been doing my hip thrusts regardless, but yay. My legs are still sore from Tuesday, which was leg day, and the booty is growing, right baby? I mean, I don't know if he's just lying to me because he's a good liar, but he always tells me what I want to hear.
Booty like grocery.
What? We just got back from the gym and I had my hair in a claw clip, but I cut it yesterday. I did the butterfly cut and gave myself a trim and it came out really good. It doesn't look that good right now because it's a little stretched out from the gym, but I love it. I took like 2 inches off. We're making dinner right now. Did some arms at the gym. I've been neglecting my arms and whew, they're kind of shaking because it's been so long since I worked them out. I feel like I'm always neglecting something. If it's not my legs, it's my arms, but I'm trying to get better at having them both being worked throughout the week. I want to start dedicating Tuesdays and Saturdays for leg day and start doing legs twice a week because I saw a TikTok. Of course, it's always a TikTok that motivates me to do something or try something. This girl had a big booty, so she had the credentials. She was saying to give your legs 3 days to rest before working them out again. So that's why I'm going to start doing Tuesday and Saturday. So leg days tomorrow. I got a PR package in the mail from Kiehl's, so let's open it up. It already has a hole in it. This is a PR package for Mother's Day. How cute. Super Fluid Daily UV Defense Sunscreen. I'm going to need that all summer long. Retinol. Perfect. Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. Yes. Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Love it. And then I have a package from Peter Thomas Roth. Even Smoother Hydrogel Eye Patches. This is next week's project and their cellulite cream is due this week, so watch out for that. Show your girl some love if you see my cellulite ad. I feel like it's actually worked though. You're gonna have to see the video. I haven't started editing it yet, but I've been using the gua sha tool regularly and I feel like I have seen an improvement, so I'm really happy about that, especially because we're going to San Diego in like 9 days and I'm gonna be in a bikini, and I have just had kind of a lot of cellulite my whole life, so I've always wanted to get rid of it, but I've never dedicated the time to actually try to get rid of it by using a body gua sha tool and working out. I feel like my leg workouts have also been contributing to improving my cellulite, so I'm really excited about that. I still have cellulite. Everyone has cellulite, but it looks a lot better than it did, so. We didn't do an adventure challenge this weekend, so we decided we're gonna do one tomorrow, but we're gonna scratch it off tonight, so. I don't know which one we're gonna choose. We decided we're gonna do this one. It's only 1 hour and looks like it's indoors. Let's see, a whole nother paragraph.
Habla mi idioma.
What?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Speak my language. Ooh.
What?
Take the 5
Oh.
love languages test.
Okay.
I feel like we did
Yeah,
this before.
we have done this.
Write your partner's love language on a piece of paper and ask them 2 to 3 ways you can love them in their language.
Ooh.
Write their answers down on the paper and then put that piece of paper on your bathroom mirror.
Aww.
Collaboratively plan a date that focuses on these love languages. Complete the planned date within 1 week.
Okay, that's cute.
Alright.
I finished my cellulite video today and submitted that. That took me longer than I thought it was going to, but I'm pretty happy with it. I used one of the blush oils today for the first time. I like how it came out. It's like 7 o'clock, so the sun's about to go down. You can barely see it. We're on a walk right now. It is leg day for me, so I think when we get back, I'm gonna go to our apartment gym and do like 30 minutes of some leg workouts. There's a big game tonight, right? It's the Lakers and the...
Game 1, Western Conference Finals.
Yeah, we're Western Conference Finals. He's teaching me all about it. Lakers and the Celtics, right? No.
Almost. Try again.
Lakers and... not the Celtics. Oh, it's just the Western Conference.
You've been there.
The Nuggets.
There you go.
Yeah, that's right. We're doing our adventure challenge date tomorrow because Marshall's DM'd me on Instagram and they're nice enough to send me a $100 gift card to go shopping. So I'm gonna go tomorrow and pick some stuff out for our trip. And I don't really have anything to wear today anyways. And we're gonna go to a rose garden out here so my husband can take some pictures for me, and I need a new outfit. That's why we're gonna do it tomorrow, because I need a new outfit. Came home to another package. I think it's something that I need to make a video for. What is it? Oh, yay. It's the Ways shampoo and conditioner. I've never tried any of the Ways products before, so I'm really excited to try these. I ordered a new book because I finished Verity. That book was freaking crazy. My girlfriend was telling me she had a book hangover after reading that, and I can relate. I've never had a book hangover in my life. She said this one's not as crazy. I've heard a lot of good things about this one as well. The Things We Leave Unfinished. This one's a little bit thicker than Verity. So I'm excited. I think I'm gonna start on this tonight. As seen on TikTok. What? Okay. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I didn't know that was on the cover. It's Wednesday, I'm running errands. I just got to UPS because I need to make a return. I bought this off of Amazon like almost 2 weeks ago. It's just been sitting in my car, but it's a little mount for my camera for when I vlog in my car and I don't have to worry about holding my camera. I've been needing one of these for the longest time. This one doesn't suction to my dashboard, so I'm gonna return it, and I already ordered another one that has like a sticky thing on the bottom, so the only thing about that is I have to commit to where I place it. This part only sticks to windows. So it was really cheap too, like only $7. I'm gonna return that. Hopefully the one that I ordered actually works, but the idea is for me to just have my camera right here, but it's not high enough, so it would be like right here, I guess. So I'm gonna return that and then we're gonna go to Marshall's. I just got to Marshall's, but I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna make a separate video where I take you along with me. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms, and I'll see you next week.